Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. Have you ever felt that an app on your phone knows too much about you? Today I will show you how to check if any app is spying on your phone. First, open your phone settings. Scroll down and tap on Privacy or Privacy Protection. Now you will see sensitive permissions like location, contacts, files, media, camera, and microphone. Open each permission one by one. Check which apps have access to these permissions. Make sure every permission makes sense for the app. Do not give permissions to apps that have nothing to do with that feature. For example, a wallpaper or calculator app should not access your contacts, files, or microphone. If you see any unnecessary permission, tap on the app and remove access immediately. Set permissions to allow only while using the app or change them to deny. Now scroll down and open Special App Access. Check options like Background Access, Device Admin Apps, and Install Unknown Apps. Remove background access for apps that do not need to run all the time. Disable Device Admin Access for apps you do not recognize or trust. Next, go back and open App Usage or App Activity. Check which apps are running frequently in the background. Apps that stay active without a clear reason can misuse your data. Restrict background usage for such apps. Now open Location Settings again. Change location access to while using the app for most apps. If any app looks suspicious or unnecessary, uninstall it immediately. Always install apps only from trusted developers and official app stores. Keeping your phone and apps updated also helps protect your privacy and security. If this video helped you, give it a like. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more privacy tips and phone fixes. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.